Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome, thank you so much for joining us. Hopefully you can see more than just like a floating head at the moment. If you've never seen my face before then my name's Lydia and I post videos every Saturday. And since going to uni I've actually gained a bit of weight, so I thought it was about time we declutter my wardrobe, get rid of some of the stuff in here that doesn't fit me anymore or that I just don't wear. I'm going to keep this nice and short because I'm uploading a different video on my laptop right now, so my laptop's making a lot of noise. So if you can hear that at the moment, I'm really sorry. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm actually now going back to uni on Monday, so I don't have enough time to do the entire wardrobe before I go back with trying everything on. So this is just going to be one video. And from now on I'm just kind of going to go through the stuff that I've worn recently, because most of the stuff on my rail I've worn recently, so I know what it looks like and stuff, and then I'm going to try on the stuff that I'm not sure whether it fits anymore, and I'm going to just kind of get rid of the pieces that I haven't worn recently, and I'm going to try and I'm going to get out my the box of summer clothes as well, and hopefully we'll have time to go through all of that. But yeah, I basically have today to do it, and that's it. And I've also got tutorials today, so let's get started. Okay, so I haven't been too brutal so far, but we're going to get the box out of the cupboard, go through all of that, and then I'm going to swap some of the jumpers from up here out, because I don't need 40 jumpers. Well, I need 40 jumpers full stop, but I don't need 40 out at the moment, especially when I'm going to uni for 3 weeks and then coming back. I feel like by the time it's April I'll only need like 2 jumpers, so I'll take a couple to uni. And then this pile here is stuff that I want to try on because I just haven't worn it in a while. Don't really know how it fits. Maybe I should just get rid of it since I haven't worn it in a while. I really love this coat, but it's just, I always think it's too long. I've just realised it's a size 10, so that can go in the get rid pile, because it will definitely fit me, but I just don't ever reach for it. It's too long. If I wore it with heels then it would be fine. I don't know if you could see that, but that says 13 years, so I'm not even going to embarrass myself and try and put that on. It's gone. So what I've basically done is I've got all of my swimming costumes here. I've chucked out some stuff that definitely won't fit. I've got a few things here that I'm not sure whether they will fit. I've got 2 pairs of these little shorts here. I actually don't think these are going to fit. They're both size 6, I think. Oh, those are 8. But yeah, I don't really wear those anymore, unless I'm in bed. That size, those are tiny, those definitely won't fit. And then I've got these tops here. I'm not sure how I feel about them. They're like Bardo tops. Let's be real, I haven't thrown enough away. Let's get rid. And then swimming costumes. I always find it hard to get rid of swimming costumes because no one's going to want to buy worn swimming costumes. So I think I'm just going to keep them all. It's a bit excessive, but I'm not going to buy any more swimming costumes this summer. And I also didn't buy any more last summer, so, you know, at least I've got an extremely big collection, but at least I'm kind of keeping it at the same level. This top looks tiny. To be fair, that's a UK 8. And I do wear this top quite a bit. I'd kind of like some more tops like that. So I'll put that in there for now. Right, what should we do? Okay, so next I'm going to make a pile of stuff that I'm going to take with me to uni, either to wear in the next 3 weeks or just to leave at uni for after Easter. That's clever. Let's do that. Should we get my suitcase out? Should we do that? Go on then. to get my suitcase out, I'm going to have to move the tripod. So we're not going to do that. We'll just get some more things down from up there and put them in a pile here to go into my suitcase, and then I'll pack my suitcase once I've finished filming, and then I can use the hangers from those things to put this up there. Cool. Okay, it's a bit later in the day. I went and picked up a bedside table. So yeah, basically I've got like underwear and pyjamas in a underbed storage box under my bed, and I'm going to sort that out in a little bit and put them into the drawers, and then I can use the underbed storage box to put some of my summer clothes in that are just like don't need hanging up, but I still do have a bit of some summer clothes that need to be hung up. Look at this little one behind me. So I'm just going to hang those up now. I've got a pile of things that need to be like tried on, and then this skirt needs stitching up because there we go, it's got a hole in the back. This dress also needs stitching up because it's got a hole in the back. My bum is just too big. That's basically my problem. So yeah, I'm going to try some of those on in a little bit. I've got a pile of swimwear just here, and then I've got my work uniform here, and then we're going to go through this pile of clothes that Charlie is kind of sleeping on, sort out what needs to be hung up, what doesn't need to be hung up, and then the stuff that doesn't need to be hung up can go into the underbed storage box. But before I can do that, I'm going to put my jumpers into here, put this back in the cupboard. That's the plan. I accidentally deleted the footage for this next little bit, but basically I got this like back of the door shoe storage kind of thing, and okay, so this is what we are looking like so far. It is kind of sticking off the door quite a bit, but hopefully once we put some shoes in it will be all good. It is quite bulky, and I've had to move the stuff that was I've had to move the shoe racks that I had next to the door because it sticks out so much. But let's put some shoes on. For anyone wondering, this was my shoe storage before, which is not great. So the only thing about this storage system is that it doesn't really work for wedges or flats, but I do have these IKEA shoe racks, but obviously they've got holes in, so these don't work for heels. So I'm going to put all my heels on this, and then I'm going to put my flats and wedges on these. So this is what we've got. So we've got some space up at the top there, so I could have another row of shoes up at the top, and then down at the bottom, I've left the bottom one free. I was thinking I could hang some bags on there, and I have taken off the very last one. So if you can see from the side, it's made out of like 3 pieces like that. One more, and then I've taken the bottom one off because I didn't really need it, and it would mean that I'd still have the space on the floor so I could have my IKEA shoe racks, so I can still keep my flat shoes on the floor just down there. But yeah, this is it. It looks so cute, and with this last rail I think I'm just going to hang some bags up on that. Okay, here we have the bottom rail. Just put some cute little baguette bags onto it, so the shoes are obviously there, cute little bags, and then just around the corner I've got some flat shoe storage. So I've obviously got my Doc Martens, some Adidas, Vans, Converse, more Adidas, and then just in here I've got blanket basket with dressing gown, bed sheets, slippers. So apparently I didn't actually film an outro for this video. I think it's because I had a tutorial and then I just kind of forgot that I was filming it. So I'm really sorry about that, but if you've made it this far, you're obviously dedicated, so please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all next week, or possibly the week after. I'm really sorry that this video is going up a week late.